Welcome to Myclass, Yourclass! Today's video, My Home, Rooms and Furniture for Kids. Hello, little learners. Welcome to Myclass, Yourclass Kids. Today we're going on a house tour. Let's learn the names of the rooms and the furniture. Are you ready? Let's go! This is the bedroom. Repeat with me. Bedroom. Great! In the bedroom, we have a bed. Say, bed. We also have a closet. Say, closet. And a lamp. Say, lamp. This is my bedroom. Repeat after me. Bedroom. Great! Now let's go to the kitchen. Repeat. Kitchen. In the kitchen, we have a table. Say, table. We have chairs. Say, chairs. And a fridge. Say, fridge. Now, repeat after me. I eat in the kitchen. Next stop, the living room. Repeat, living room. In the living room, there is a sofa. Say, sofa. There is a TV. Say, TV. And a carpet. Say, carpet. No, let's repeat. I watch TV in the living room. Here is the bathroom. Repeat, bathroom. In the bathroom, we have a sink. Say, sink. A toilet. Say, toilet. And a shower. Say, shower. Now repeat. I take a shower in the bathroom. Let's review. Say the words with me. Bedroom. Living room. Kitchen. Bathroom. Bed. Table. Sofa. Sink. Amazing job, little learners! You are doing great! Thanks for watching Myclass, Yourclass, kids. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more fun English lessons. See you next time. Bye-bye!